welcome again to our tutorial tonight. For those who are new, I am Maestro Salibok and this is my masterclass. I have been doing these tutorials to answer so many questions on those people who like playing African music and specifically Seben. And tonight I have come with something different, a Seben with a Détente which has only one. As I told you on Seben, you are the one to make the rules, and tonight I am the one making my own rules. As long as I respect them, remember every Seben is valid. Every Seben must be simple and sweet, and every Seben is valid. Now, if you are new to my channel, before we continue, I encourage you to first subscribe and press the bell so that you can be able to see all my updates whenever I upload a video. And why should you subscribe to my channel? Because whatever thing I'm giving you, you will only find it on this channel. Every Seben, I am taking a lot of time to create it specifically for all my students. So if you are watching, be sure that whatever you are seeing, you can see it only on this channel, because it is the first time you will ever hear such a Seben. No one else has played it before. So, welcome tonight to this special Seben that I specifically made for you with the Détente of only one chord. A Seben with only one chord at the Détente. You remember Détente is the relaxed part of the Seben, or the second part of Seben. And instead now of playing so many chords, so many degrees, I just chose to play only one chord. And I hope that it will inspire you. As I said, we are the ones making the rules. And this is the reason you should subscribe to this channel, because I'm working extremely hard for you, specifically for you. This is my masterclass. you. I hope that you've loved the Seben. I want now to break it for us so that you can see exactly what I was doing. I am playing this song, this Seben, on the key of A, and I was playing it on the second inversion of key of A. So here is where I am. Okay, so I start my Seben with some chromatics, first and third, then second and third. Okay? Then second, first and second, you slide, then second and third, then third and fourth. So something that you will note is that there is a question I'm asking and there is an answer. The question is this one. The answer is, then again the other question. The answer. So wherever I am going, that is a question I'm answering. Okay? So and then I give it some colors. I go up. Okay. So I'm going to the first inversion directly, and then I come back again to my second inversion. Then to the perfect. Okay, first and second, I slide, then second and third. So let me try now to go faster. Then now the Détente, which is now our main lesson for tonight, I just decided to create something that I will just be playing only 1 degree, the 5th degree. So I'm starting first, then second, then again. So I'm just playing this, the 5th degree. So I'm not changing anything. So even if you remain there, you just play the 5th degree, which is the key E on this particular Seben, then you'll be just correct. So the Détente is go faster. Yes, I hope that you have enjoyed our tutorial tonight. I would love also to help someone, because one of us asked me a question about how to hold a pick. I thought maybe I could address that thing in this Seben. So this is my pick. When I am playing lead guitar, I usually hold it with my thumb and this finger, the number one. I don't know how you call it, the index. So I hold my pick with the thumb and the index. And now when I am playing, I make sure this small finger rests here on my guitar to enable me to be stable. This small finger here will rest on the body of the guitar to enable now my right hand to be stable. Whenever I am doing things, I am stable because I have something that is I am holding on. So when I'm playing, like anything else can move, but my small finger, which is resting on the body, remains to enable me to be stable. I don't know if I have answered your question. One of us has asked, and I thought maybe it was right for me to just answer it. And this is only when I'm playing lead. But when I'm playing like rhythm, when I'm strumming, I don't need to do it. You see? But when I want to play something very stable, that's when now I put one or two fingers on the body of the guitar to make sure that I am stable, so that I can okay? Yeah. I hope that I have helped someone. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and send me an email if you have any question. And for private classes, I am always available. Despite where you are, we can do our virtual lessons, and I believe that I can help someone. Remember, I have prepared all this just for you, and it has taken me a lot of time to prepare this particular Seben so that you can have something new. Thank you. God bless you, and be encouraged to play your own Seben. See you next time we have another tutorial. Ciao.